This video is sponsored by VION. Today we're going to be installing the premium alloy phone mount, which is very nice. Their 16-inch screen protector for the newer versions of the Model Y and all Teslas that have the 16-inch screen, and their premium roof sunshade for the Model Y. Let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back to another video schmanja. Today we're going to be doing several installs and upgrading my Tesla Model Y performance. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm working with a company called VION. So they sent me over some nice accessories, must-have accessories. And this particular accessory is one that I'm actually really excited about. And I'll show you once I get to the car. But I want to go ahead and show you what's in the box. And the rest of the materials that I'm going to install, we're going to do it outside of the car. But first, let's get this unboxed. This is probably going to be one of the best car mounts that I have ever seen because it goes into your door handle. I think that's most important. So let's go ahead and get it undone here. Look at this. This is nice metal. Oh yeah, this is a premium. I often wondered what this would look like, and it is definitely premium. And you adjust the tightness and like right here to put it into place. So this portion right here will go into your door handle under that, and I'll show you in the car. So we'll put this aside. Very subtle branding here. Look at that. That's actually really nice. And then we've got the other portion here. This piece right here, what you do is you remove this and then you slide this portion onto here, and then you lock this in place like that, and you screw it on. So let's go ahead and get these off. These are just extra little magnets right here. We'll put that aside. We'll go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do that now. And we can adjust it and tighten it later, but this is where the MagSafe will be. Let me grab the phone here. Let you know how strong it is. Very nice. Tight. All right, yeah, that is a strong magnet. So we'll put this here, and then they also, see, this is the screw you'll need to put it in right there, because you'll need an extended screw for your car. And they also give you this, which I think is really nice. They give you the bits and pieces that you need to install it properly. So that is why this is a premium product. Most places do not give you the tools you need. So now let's go out to the car. Let's get this installed, and I'll also show you the rest of the products that I have. All right, under there, inside of here is a screw, and that's why they provide you with the proper materials to get it out. So let me get this out and get it unscrewed, and then I'll show you what to do next. All right, folks, so here's the screw. The dark screw obviously is the factory screw, and this is the screw that's going to go in. Don't let this intimidate you. It looks like it's going to be difficult to get, but just remember when you're going in, you have to go in at an angle that way. Don't try to go straight up. Now, this is what it's going to look like. So after you get it out from using the long, I suggest you put the tip on this long side to initially get it. And then after you get this part in from the company VION, you just want to use the shorter side. Don't over tighten. You don't need to. Just make sure it's snug, hand tight. And now we're going to adjust this accordingly. So the reason this is going to be a good mount is because you can position this in so many ways. Like, it's going to be just really good. And when I close the door and everything, my phone will mount up just fine. That is going to be beautiful. Now let me show you my, and I can also move this right here, loosen it, and get it to go down and adjust however I want. So you just have to play with it and see exactly where you want to put yours at. And then you can go from there. Let me get it in my position. Here is my position. The reason I said this is going to be a good one for me is because of where my other mount was for this side of the car. It's actually back here. So I'll be removing this, and then here is my mount going forward. This will also be used greatly for vlogs or whatever you're doing or anything like that. So now let's move on to the next product I'm going to show you how to install, and we'll keep on pushing. All right, guys, here's the next thing I'm going to install. The VION screen protector. So this is a pretty simple installation. Just make sure you follow the instructions and make sure you're buying the right screen protector for your car. Let's get this one going. So the first thing you want to do is go into your car menu on the bottom down here, go to display, and then go to screen cleaning mode. That's what you want to do. In the box, you'll get the actual screen protector. You'll get a squeegee here and a cleaning kit. And then also, this one comes with the rear screen as well. So let's go ahead and get this screen cleaned off. And I do have a screen protector on here now, so I'm gonna have to take it off. But I have a matte screen protector. So we're gonna remove this one and put on this new one right here. All right, now that we have the screen nice and clean, what you'll need to do is make sure that all 4 corners snap when you put this on. So some screen protectors don't have this with theirs, but this one does. So make sure that there's a snap, it's on tight. So it's labeled here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you remove this here afterwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First thing you want to do is you want to pull this one. Then you want to press and slide this way. You want to wait 30 seconds, and then you want to remove this here. So let's pull. And make sure you apply a little pressure here to make sure this doesn't come off. And then we're going to do number 2. We're going to do number 2. And now we wait. Now we're going to go ahead and remove here, number 4. And let's press off here and make sure that it stays. And voila. Oh, that is a perfect install, man. Aren't I good? Now, so now you want to take the squeegee and then just move your way about, making sure you press it down. But even though this was a perfect install right here, there's no bubbles, there's nothing. So we can hold here, and we are back here. And that, folks, it is how it is done. I'm loving it. Now, let's go on to the next thing that we're gonna do for the car. And this is one that's gonna keep you cool. Don't forget this step. All right, next we have the VION Sunshade, and that is gonna go right up there. Let's get into it. So installing the sunshade on the roof is pretty simple. I've done this a million times, and I'm sure some of you have, but if you haven't, we're gonna go ahead and walk through it. So you have these clips. Now these clips are gonna hold, is what holds the sunshade in place when you wanna leave it up there. These are for the center portions to help keep it stable around that inner portions right in the center there. And then the rest of the clips go along the roof and the lines, and everything just goes along here nice and simple. Let's get it installed. All right, guys, roof is installed. This is very nice. So let me see if I can get you to see here. Right here, you'll see these little clips, and you make sure you slide it so it's enough to hold both pieces, and make sure the seams are right. You can see it's not gonna be perfect, but you see you can move it right there. Then I have a clip here, right there. I have one right there. And then they just kind of a few of them all the way around. Very nice. Super easy installation, folks. This should be hands down one of the easiest installations that you do for a roof mod for your sunshades. This company has a premium shade too, by the way. And I have the black one, but it also comes in the tan color if you have the older roof on your car. Let's close out. All right, guys, upgrades are done. The roof shade is in. And now it is cool in the ride if I decide to leave it outside. Oh, I didn't even try to do that. Nice. Shout out to VION for sponsoring this video. If you need a link to the products, it's in the description. And if you're looking for a new Tesla, no matter which one it is, there's a link in the description to grab yours. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.